So it's common knowledge that you can use Alexa to turn off various smart devices in your home, such as Alexa, turn on the TV,
Okay.
and the TV will turn on. You can also use Alexa to control certain lights within your house. So Alexa, change living room light to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off hallway light.
Okay.
But did you know that you can actually tell Alexa to turn herself off? Now, I have a smart Roku plug right here. So all I have to say is turn off the smart plug and it'll cut her off. Alexa, turn off the smart plug. And she gets cut off before she even knows what's happening. So, and the way to turn back Alexa on is you either have to turn on the switch manually or you can use the smart plug home app and she'll be rebooted. She's powering back up now, but yeah, that's how you tell Alexa to turn herself off.